Today, uh, we will discuss about the uh, color fill legend and the same time how we can able to create the room tag and how we can able to delete the room names and everything. Okay, right. So as usual, I can go to find out the wall architectural. I will choose one wall. After that, I can draw the wall like any layouts. So I just create one layout like this. Okay. After that, again, I can create some additional walls here. Right, done. So here, here I already create this layout. After that, I can go to choose the floor. Okay, here I can create the floor. I can choose the floor and I can create the floor here. Right. So this is a model I created. Okay, done. So how I can able to mention the room names here? Okay. So you can go to find out the architecture and choose the room. You can just click somewhere here. So it's automatically the room boundary it's connected. So here also, and you can find out here also. Right. Now we have three rooms. After that, I can just select this blue line and I can go to find out the name like office one, and this one I can choose office two, right? And this one I can rename office three, right? Now I have three rooms. Okay. After that, here you can find all room names and square feet and everything showing here. So if you want, you can just select here and you can go to edit type. You can just remove the area and unwanted things and you can able to keep only the room name. So as per your wish, you can able to change these things. Now I did three rooms, names, and after that, I can go to find out the annotate. In the annotate, you can find out the color fill legend here. Okay. So first you can click somewhere here. Here you can go to choose the space type room and this color scheme room name. Okay. Now press OK. So now you can able to see it showing the colors. Okay. So if you want to change any colors, you can just select, go to edit scheme, click in the colors. So you can change it as per your wish, which color you need it. Right. Okay. After that, you can able to see it showing like this way. Right. Now, how you can able to remove the room name? So if you want, you can just select and delete. It's not a proper way. So what you have to do it, you can go to find out the schedule. Right click, go to new schedule. You can go to find out the rooms. In the rooms, first of all, you can go to find out the names. After that, you can go to find out the level and area, uh, number. Right. So I can put in the numbers. Right. Now you can able to see this room schedule available here. Now you can select this number one and you can delete from here. So what about this room one? So you can able to go to check in the level 0. Now it's deleted. Okay. So this is the way you can able to delete the room names and everything. So you cannot go for straight away delete, but you have a the way proper way how you can able to delete the room names. Okay. So if you want, you can go back to architectural, choose the room. Again, you can able to apply here. Okay. So this is the way we can able to add the room name and we can able to remove the wall, sorry, room names. Okay. So here you can find out the property and you can go to find out the color scheme. You can go to choose the edit color scheme. Okay.